In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop down to your website. So when you're on my website here, you'll notice that when you hover over services, I don't have a services page, but I have 3 different services pages, and they're all lumped under this one services button on my website, which is called the drop down. Now, you may want to do this if your navigation is getting really big and there's just way too many pages. It's hard to navigate. People do use a drop down just to consolidate and make sure that it's just easier and less cluttered on your navigation. So here is how you would do that. So let's say I want to make a work with me drop down and I want to bring in 3 different pages into that drop down. So number 1 on how to do this is you're going to have to make sure you have all of the pages done that you want in your drop down. So let's say I have 3 different services and I'm going to have those under my work with me page. I want to make sure first I have those 3 pages, those 3 service pages done on my website before I make a drop down. So I have those here: brand styling, custom web design, and template customization. So make sure you have those done first, and then we can create the drop down, because otherwise you're just linking a blank page. So making sure you have those pages done. And you can watch my other tutorial on how to add a page into your website if you need to. So what you're going to do is you are going to click this plus button here, and you're going to scroll down. It's been an odd spot, I find, but you're going to scroll down and see drop down. So you're going to click drop down, and it is going to make a little drop down on your navigation here. And so we're going to call this work with me. And you're going to see it says this drop down is empty. I'm just going to take my pages that are done and I'm just going to drag them up under work with me. You'll see now you have that header, and then you've got the 3 pages under. If you click this little arrow, it can actually bring it up and keep your navigation just very clean. And then if you click the arrow down, you'll see that you can get into those pages now. And then if you ever want to change the name of the drop down or the page title, you can click that gear icon and change the page title or the navigation or the URL slug. So you can just click save there, and that's all. And so basically the key is to just making sure you have your pages done and then dragging them into a drop down very easily, just to consolidate your pages in your navigation. And then if you ever want to bring those pages out of the drop down, you'll just drag this outside of that drop down one by one, and then you can delete that drop down separately. You can just click the gear and click delete drop down. Just make sure you don't click delete drop down while the pages are in there. I think it sends all of the pages to your deleted pages here. But of course, if they get deleted, you could just go to your deleted pages and restore them if needed. But we don't want to do that. That is how you will take them out of the drop down as well. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or if this was helpful for you. Thank you.